All right, here it is, the solution to the challenge. Remember, only watch this if you've gone and done this yourself. But assuming you have, first we're going to go to our urls.py. We're trying to make an about page. So we start first with the path. So I'm going to say path. And in fact, I'm just going to copy one of the paths that we have above. I'm going to change this to about, views.about, and the name, I'm also going to make that about. Excellent. So I'm going to go to my views. This is probably pretty close to what home looks like. So I'm just going to copy that, paste it there. Also, password, I was going to say it just looks a little bit disorganized. I'm going to delete some of the space there. Okay. So instead of this being home, I'm going to make this about. I'm going to change this to about as well. So I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to create a new file here that I'm going to call about.html, which is the same that I had here in my views, right? This name is the same as this. So I'll do like an h1 tag, and I'll say about, and we'll end this h1 tag, and then inside of like a paragraph tag maybe, I shall say, this is a password generator created by Nick Walter. Enjoy, fam. Boom, save that. So now I should be able to go to /about, and look at that, it shows that up, but I want to be able to, on my home page, access the about page. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to my home.html, and maybe just below this form and everything, I'm going to do BR a few times. Remember, that makes new lines for us. And I'm going to make a nifty little A tag where the href goes to a URL. I'm looking for about. Make sure there's a space at the end there. Then I shall end that A tag. And in this, I'll put about page or something like that. All right. So we'll save this, reload the home page. Look at that. I click on this. Takes me to the about page. Okay, you've done it. You've finished your first challenge. Give yourself a nice pat on the back. We are almost done with this section. I just want you to see how we can make this page look so much better.